Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2019 Kenworth W900L Daycab. It's got an X15 Cummins, 13 speed, 304,000 original miles. I've got it hot this afternoon, so I'm going to show you the oil pressure, engine compartment, tires, brakes, frame rail, and finish up with the interior. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is an X15 500 Cummins. It's got new steers. As far as the engine compartment's really clean. The main frame rail's in really good shape. You have some minor bits of rust, maybe some brackets there. Overall, your body and paint's in good shape. Very minor blemishes in the paint and finish. Paint's down on the whole bin there. So a little bit shorter wheelbase as well. It's only a 2/16-inch wheelbase, so if you like the long, tall look, you just don't need it stretched out, this may be for you. Like I said, the body's in really good shape. You have very minor blemishes, a couple little scrapes there, nothing where it's been an accident or fiberglass or anything like that. Very superficial scratches there. Pretty good shape. I said overall your frame rails, rear end, engine, compartment, all that's in really good shape. You've got some minor rust or paint's really in this area here is going to get a lot of heat anyway. It's going to be pretty clean overall. This was a car hauler in its previous life. So it had a 2-line wet kit. This nice job on the split tank there. Hydraulic and fuel for that tank. See, inside your frame rails are really clean as well. Excellent matched virgin rubber on the back. All aluminums, nice slider. Brakes as well. Only rust back here is going to be just a little bit on the steel on the fifth wheel plate, but that's pretty common. The only blemish in paint on the back here is where the lines have run over the very back there just a little bit. Nice and clean, nice dash, full gauges. There's your miles and hours. That's really good. And there's your low side oil pressure at your operating temp. Super smooth to the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up like it's supposed to. Then I'll click through the instrument panel there. No faults, everything looks good. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a shout. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.